Okay, and I want to talk about adjacency matrix, and also another way of representing graph data structures for programming purposes, right? In fact, say in one other example of a graph data structure, a graph, right? Into you always say, right? This data structure we able to representing it in a graph form, in a matrix form. Data graph we able to represent in a matrix form. There are two ways, right? You have adjacency list and adjacency matrix. If you want to know more about the list now, there is already a video out there for the adjacency list, so you can watch that one. But we need how we will present a graph in a matrix data structure. Into we say in 0, 1, 2, 3, right? In the event say equity matrix say 0, 1, 2, 3. There was 0, 1, 2, 3. Right. Let's say I draw a line here. I'm drawing here. Into in fact it's 0, 0, right? 0, 0, 0 connected, like there's no link between into has any 0. But here for 0, 1 0 no, it will be connected to 1 and so connected to 1 and natural 1, right? 0 it will be connected to 2 and it will be connected to 2 a true into a true, right? 0 it will be connected to 3, it will be connected to 3 yes, a true into then also a 1. Not very about 1 to be connected to 0 and yes, 1 will be to mark up 0 into so be 1 it will be connected to 1 and any true into me, like by itself there's no need to be away into the fan count, right? But 1 to be connected to 2 into a true because connection will has a 1 to be connected to 3 and no, there is no connection, direct connection between 1 and 3, right? To mean connected 1 to 3 directly into a 0. Now for the about 2 to be connected to 0 and that is true. 2 to me equals 0 into 1 what I say 2 to me connected to 1 and then say true into 1. 2 to me connected to 2 by itself and the 0 0 1 1 into by inference no probably to my say has it 0. But can 2 connect to 3 directly and 2 into mean connected to 3 directly into is 0, right? I feel here near about 3 to me connected to 0 and a true 1. 3 3 to me connected to BBI view. So 0 0 0, right? Into I a 3 by 3 matrix, right? I a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3, right? Or M by N or whatever you want to, however I hope I say representing. But this is also another way that you can represent a graph, right? Which might represent a graph to solve solutions programmatically. Okay, so and this know your friend adjacency matrix. All right, thank you. Bye bye.